Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners. Honda Rebel 300. The allure of sport motorcycling, with its promise of speed, precision, and the thrill of the open road, has captivated the hearts of many. For beginners entering this exhilarating world, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The Honda Rebel 300, celebrated for its accessible power, versatile performance, and beginner-friendly attributes, stands out as the ultimate sport motorcycle for those commencing their journey into this exciting realm. With its balanced performance, classic design, and rider-centric features, the Rebel 300 offers the ideal platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Honda Rebel 300 lies a capable 286cc single-cylinder engine that provides a harmonious blend of power and approachability. This engine delivers a spirited performance that allows riders to experience the thrill of sport riding while ensuring a smooth learning curve for beginners. Classic design and aesthetic appeal. The Rebel 300 boasts a classic cruiser design that pays homage to its larger cruiser counterparts. Its timeless lines, minimalistic fairings, and distinctive styling elements capture the essence of cruiser excellence, appealing to riders seeking a stylish and visually appealing motorcycle. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also revel in the Rebel 300's classic persona. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. Despite its sporty appearance, the Rebel 300 is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers a comfortable riding position that ensures ease during both spirited rides and extended journeys. The well-padded seat, mid-set handlebars, and accommodating footpeg position contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Honda Rebel 300 is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, twisty roads, and varying riding conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and the Rebel 300 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to harness the motorcycle's performance. Urban commutes and spirited escapes. The Rebel 300's versatility extends beyond spirited rides. Novice riders can effortlessly transition between daily urban commutes and spirited escapes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's cruiser-inspired and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand and the Rebel series create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for cruiser riding and the Rebel 300's classic attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda Rebel 300 encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of cruiser riding. Budget-friendly sport riding. The Rebel 300 offers an affordable entry point into the world of sport motorcycles. Its reasonable price, manageable maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can enjoy sport riding without breaking the bank. Conclusion. The Honda Rebel 300 exemplifies Honda's commitment to providing the perfect sport motorcycle for beginners. With its accessible performance, classic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Rebel 300 offers an immersive gateway to the thrill of sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Honda Rebel 300 as their first sport motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for style, exhilaration, and the joy of conquering the open road on two wheels.